The legendary Buju Banton got invited to the BET Awards for the first time, and he presented himself well. The big question is, why was he granted back his visa, being that he was deported? Many asked. Here's how one lawyer explained.
The reason why he was deported was because he was in the U.S. on a visitor's visa, and he was convicted for drug-related charges. So he was deported, did some time. So typically, you cannot return to the U.S. after deportation until 10 years. So the most popular reason is non-immigrant visa waiver. So a non-immigrant visa waiver would be like a working visa. In a situation like his, because he's an icon, because he has won a Grammy, and I'm sure he has really good character witnesses who can speak to his credibility and that he's non-violent and that his presence in the U.S. will be more beneficial than not beneficial, then he would have a strong non-immigrant visa waiver.
Sent one love, and I just want to say, yo, Buju Banton, welcome back to your second home. Buju Banton, my brother, he back. He in Miami right now. First of all, I love you, brother. Yeah.
Okay, so he's back. But knowing all this, tell me, why was someone asking Buju Banton if he had herb on him during the BET?
That is brother, yeah. Big man, I idiot. I asked you if me have no herb, right? I tell him to no, me not no herb. See, he must say he have herb, but I don't like to see him herb. But the blood clot, you ask me about me have herb, no BT. You know, I don't see nobody smoking a BT. I fool it to the dread far. Yes.
I fool it at the dread far. Tell me what you guys think, guys. Comment below. Thanks for watching.